Hello viewers, today we're going to be making a new stand for this hot glue gun. This gun came to me with no stand, and it's not super useful without the stand because there's no good way to set it down while it's on. So we're going to make a new stand. It's pretty easy to do. I'm going to use this piece of metal. This is the handle from a Chinese takeout rice bucket. I always save these because it's a really nice piece of metal. A lot of times I bend it like this, and this is a really nice clip to put on a bag of chips or something to keep it from going stale. There's a lot of things you can do with this, but in this case we're going to make a glue gun stand. So I want it to sit, well, see, this is flat on the bottom there, so it should sit approximately like that. So at about that angle. Now there's two things we have to be aware of here. The angle is one of them, and the other is how deep this hole is, because it's got to be deep enough to sit flat up against these two notches, otherwise it won't lock into place and the gun's just going to just go like all over the place. So the glue string is somewhere. Okay, anyways, so I'm going to take, let's see, I have this here, this will work. I'm going to take this thing and stick it in the hole, and I'm going to bend it over right where that notch is, and so that is how long the stand needs to be to go in there. So I'm going to straighten this out. And I'm going to attempt to bend this approximately the same amount. And I want to get a nice 90-degree angle on there. Just like that. So now, see, this will go down, it'll click into place, and that'll be good. So now what I want to do is see exactly how far down this needs to be cut in order to lay flat. And our angle is going to be right about here. So we're going to bend it again right here, and again we want a nice sharp 90-degree angle like that. Okay, so now I'm going to go straighten this out. And on the other side, just going to eye this here. I'm going to bend this approximately right here. Okay. And then I'm going to bend this side in. And that's pretty close. So now, the last thing to do is to cut off the excess. And I'm going to, where'd my measuring thing go? Actually, that's pretty close to what I needed. Okay, we'll cut that off, and I'm going to keep this and use it for something else someday. Now this isn't perfect because it's not flat on the bottom, and it really should be. So to correct that, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bend the middle up so it just sits on the two edges, and that should be okay. Alright, so now let's put this into the holes here. Oh, jeez. What a fail. Oh my goodness. That's way too wide. How did I get that so wrong? Alright, whatever. We'll just try again. Of course, the thing will be lopsided at this point, but that's approximately the right distance now. So I'm going to rebend this side at the right height. Okay, and we'll cut again. Now that piece is so small, I think I'm going to put that in the scrap box. Alright, so there's the stand. Take two. Alright, I think that's going to work. It is clicking into place. You know, and these are never all that sturdy because it's a very small surface area. I think if I bend the middle down a little bit, that may make it ever so slightly more sturdy. And of course, that bent it out that way too much. I definitely want to keep that tension there so it clicks into place securely. Alright, that's that. I think that's going to work. So that's my new stand for the hot glue gun, made out of something that most people just throw out.